I want to clear up a major myth out there. The belief that pain and loss of function are just part of aging process. They are not. They are usually signs of weakness, and that's something we can absolutely change. Hello, I am Cyprian Ojinta with Instep Physiotherapy. Aging versus weakness. Let's quickly define the difference. Aging is the slow, natural wear on your body. It's subtle and usually gradual. Weakness, on the other hand, is the rapid loss of strength, power and function when we don't use our bodies enough. It's what happens when you sit too much or avoid movement out of fear. This is the part we can prevent and reverse. When you struggle to stand up or trip and can't catch yourself, it's not age slowing you down. It's the lack of power and strength in key muscles like your hips and thighs. The core challenge, the sit to stand test. Let's try one quick functional strength test, which is the sit to stand test. Sit in a firm chair. Cross your arms over your chest. Now stand up without your hands. If you struggled, if you rocked several times, or if it felt painful, that tells us that functional strength needs attention. At Instep, we identify those weak areas and target them to precisely restore your independence. Now, let's answer some common questions about aging and strength.
Can I still get stronger after 60?
Absolutely. Research shows that even into your 90s, your muscles can respond to resistant training. It's never too late to gain strength and power.
Is light stretching enough to stay strong?
Stretching improves flexibility, but to fight weakness, you need resistant training. That means using weights, bands, or your own body weight to safely challenge your muscles.
How long until I notice a difference?
You can see changes faster than you think. With consistent, targeted therapy, you will often notice improved endurance, balanced within 4 to 6 weeks. Don't settle for the narrative of decline. We can separate aging from weakness. If you want to stay strong and active for life, let us help you find and fix the functional weaknesses holding you back. Contact us here at Instep Physiotherapy to start building your strength today.